Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yesterday we made a new low. We came down in what could be considered 5 waves here. Just briefly to zoom out for everybody who's new on the channel, but I don't want to go through the entire count again. I think I did that yesterday. The idea is that we're currently coming down in a wave 2, A wave, B wave, C wave, just like on the Bitcoin and Ethereum charts. The idea is that of this high, which was made on the 5th of May, we count that as the end of a triangle, that we broke down and that we're coming down in a C wave. The idea early yesterday, was that we make another low here, which we did, but we recovered quickly, and overnight Bitcoin Ethereum came down quite a lot. ADA didn't anymore. The explanation for that is, and I shared that already on the Signals channel yesterday, the idea or the explanation for that is actually that this is now a 5-wave move down. Technically, in this C wave of wave 2, it does not need any more waves to the downside. So it has done what it needs to do, and the market now tries to push higher. If it's going to do it, that depends on how strong the bulls are. I would want to see a first impulse to the upside. To be honest, we could count a first impulse here on the lower time frame. But it's a very small one. For further clarity, we can wait for a break above the wave 4 high. That's at 37.3 cents. That would give further evidence that we have bottomed, and even further evidence would be obtained as soon as price breaks above 38.3 cents. Now, the other explanation why it is turning around here, or at least trying to, is because if we measure the length of the wave 1 here, of this decline, we can look at what is actually a target for the 5th wave, and you can see it bottomed directly at 35 cents, which would have been this 1-to-1 ratio target. It's a perfect target for a wave 5, and I can tell you that this is one of the reasons why we're turning around there. We could say in the middle of nowhere, It is the 1-to-1 ratio target, a very common target for a 5th wave if you compare the length of wave 1 and wave 5. So you could say that against yesterday's low, price is trying to push higher, and technically the correction is complete, which doesn't mean it has to be complete, but it means that it is possible now to turn around. So that's again the time to be watching here. If you look at the indicators, maybe a last look at the indicators. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's open the RSI. And if we zoom in a little bit, we can see a bullish divergence between wave 3 and wave 5. And that is also typical for the end of such a correction. Now, for me, it's not enough evidence to say we've bottomed. I'm not happy to call out a bottom, but it starts to look interesting. This is now the time where it can turn around. It's in the yellow box where prices can turn around. It's just that looking at Bitcoin Ethereum, I don't think we have bottomed yet, but also they have now entered their trend reversal areas. They are sitting at support, so I wouldn't say it's completely ruled out, but I would want to see extended evidence. I want to see more evidence that price is indeed pushing to the upside now. Okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.